Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in your device OnePlus Nord CE2. But before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus Nord CE2 you are having Wi-Fi and hotspot related issues or any problem like they are not working, not connecting or turning off, you can solve all these by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in your device OnePlus Nord CE2. Let's watch it.